Very good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have seen B tree concept properly. What exactly it is? It is used for databases. Okay. So the next tree is B plus tree. So what is B plus tree actually? So we have seen in B tree first, every node having its pointer. Okay, मीन्स जो भी रिकॉर्ड हम स्टोर करते हैं ट्री में, हर एक नोड में लेट से हर एक को क्या रहेगा, पॉइंटर रहेगा. मीन्स वी कैन एक्सेस एनी डेटा सेपरेटली. Okay, but in B plus tree there is no why it is called as plus, because you can see in this diagram, that is, just see here, every node, let's say 5 is a root node. Okay, this is a 3, the child of 5. After that, this is 7 node, this is 8 node. Okay, so all nodes again stored into the leaf node. Okay, means actual key value we are going to store into the leaf node only. Okay, means the replica of every node is stored into the leaf node. You can see here, 1 store here, 3 store, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, like this. Means all nodes we are going to store into the leaf node only, and they are connected via pointer. You can see here, these are the pointer value, all nodes connected to each other. That's what is called as a B plus tree. So all data, this is key value, this is pointer, means here all data should be stored into leaf node and all are connected via pointers. Means this is a duplication of node. Okay, means in B plus tree there is no पॉइंटर फॉर ईच एंड एवरी नोड. जैसे हमने बी ट्री में देखा था, हर एक नोड को, हर एक रिकॉर्ड को हम पॉइंटर लगा सकते हैं, बट देयर इज नो पॉइंटर प्रोवाइडेड फॉर बी प्लस ट्री. So all data store into the leaf node only, and they have connected via pointer. Okay, means using linked list. So this is the concept of B plus tree here. Okay, so means this is what your dense index, this is sparse index. Okay, so this is the concept of what B plus tree that you have seen in video also. Fine. So today's point is what K tree, that is what exactly the K, that is K dimensional tree that we need to say. Okay. So you can see here, it is what invented in 1917 by John Bentley. It is again binary tree. Okay. A K tree is also known as KD tree, means it is K dimensional tree. Okay, this is KD tree, K dimensional tree, where D will be 1, 2, 3. These are the dimensions. When we are talking about dimension, means we have to concentrate on X, Y coordinate. Okay, so B we have in study, it is 2D tree. So each level has the cutting dimensions, how, and each node contains point X and Y. Okay, so this is very important part, that is every node having X and Y coordinate. Okay, so you can see here, left side the node and right side giving the XY coordinate. So how we'll do this, we'll see in next point. Okay, so that is K dimensional tree is. Okay, means there is every node having point having XY coordinate. Okay, so the before concentrating on, we have to focus on that complexity. So in insert, when we want to insert the node into KD tree, that is average and balance tree, again log of n, means it is a half, that is BST, and worst case is big of n. Okay, so we're not focusing on that part. Below will how it create, that we need to concentrate. Okay, so these are the very important point related to KD tree, so everyone should focus on that. Let's see here, its left side with space known as a left subtree. Okay, and its right side with points is called as right subtree. Yes, the left side tree, there will be the, there is no any XY coordinate, but right side there will be the XY coordinate. How we'll see? Okay, so if the first node is root, means we can say that it is a grandparent. Okay, so while inserting its child, suppose root node है मेरा, हम root node को क्या बोल रहे, this is my grandparent. Okay, this is G. Okay, and while inserting its child parent, it checks with X coordinate. Okay, so parent insert कर रहे हैं उसके लिए, तो it should be in X coordinate, and while inserting next node at the next level, it checks with Y coordinate. So this is very important that I need to show here. Again, I'll repeat. Suppose first root node is a grandparent. Okay, uske baad we have to insert the child. That is, we can say that this is a parent. Okay, grandparent ka child hai, but it is called as a parent node. It checks with X coordinate, And while inserting next node at the next level, means we can say that in next level we are going to insert it, it checks with y coordinate. So we have seen the diagram of it so that you can again easily understand this point. Okay, so just see here this diagram. Yes, just see, this is, let's say, the node. We can say that the node you can understand here, that is x. If I want to insert, suppose this is grandparent, I need to insert the child into the next level. So there should be the coordinate. This is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. Means we are inserting the node into the next level. Okay, so how dimension will do? We have to focus. Okay, so we'll focus on that part directly. Okay, so this is what idea about this tree. It representing in two ways, means we can represent this tree using with tree as well as graph also. In both data structure it's used. Okay, so zero level, first level is zero level. Zero level means x align. We can say that just concentrate for x align, vertical line is given compared with x coordinate. Okay, and one level y align, horizontal line, it depends on the child on which side. Okay, so compare with y coordinate. So you might be thinking that how the x will be the horizontal and y will be the vertical. But here is zero level x align vertical line. Okay, and one level y align horizontal line. Means we can generate tree and graph also. Okay, so this point we have to focus. Okay, and second level again x align and next level y align. Means it should be the vice versa. X will be one level, y will be second level, likewise. Okay, so we'll see the example of it so that you can easily understand. Okay, so this is example. So we have to insert 30, 40. Okay, so this is our root node. Okay, so we are inserting 30, 40. Okay, so this is x coordinate. Okay, so there are the point will be 30, 40. You can see the graph also. Okay, so here the point is given, that is 30, 40. Okay, so x will be 30 and y will be 40 here. Okay, so this is what insert 30, 40 in x. Next level, when we are inserting the node into the next level, there will be the y coordinate. Okay, again there are the point. Let's say the next coordinate 5, 25. Okay, so no doubt it's less than 30, 40. That's why it is in left side. Again, it gives 5 and 25. So you can see in graph, that is 5 value. Okay, we can understand this value. This is 5 for this graph. You can see this coordinate 5 and 25. Okay, next we have to insert 10 and 12. So we have inserting in 10 and 12 because it is less than, again it is a BST property, right? So it's less than root node. That's why it's inserted into the which side? Left side. Again, it is greater than 5. So we'll store here 10, 12 here. Okay, but it is greater than 5, but less than 25. We have to keep it in this side. So you can easily understand that every level, suppose first level in X, second level Y, third level is X, fourth level is Y. Means we have to represent our tree using dimensions. Okay, so likewise we have inserted 70, 70. So it should be placed into the right side. Okay, so you can see here 70 put here. Okay, this is value 70, 70. Okay, so likewise 53, yes, it's for left side. It's greater than 30, 40. That's why it is going to the right side, but it is smaller than sub root node, that is 70, 70. That's why it is in left side. So likewise, we have represented the KD trees. Okay, means we have to represent the KD tree using XY coordinate. This is X, this is Y. The next node should be X, Y, like this. Okay, so why we have studied this tree? So this is major applications of KD tree is nearest neighbor search. Okay, so we have to find out the nearest node according to XY coordinate, and database queries it's used. Okay, so how it's executed, that we have seen again. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this point. Okay, so I will point that concept so that you can easily understand that point. Okay, so concept. Okay, so but first of all, I must say thanks this person, that is he have generated very wonderful PPT for TriTree. Okay, so I'll just go on through it so that you can understand this point. Okay, Fine. So the next will be the why is try. The name given as a try tree. Okay. Try is an efficient information retrieval data structure. What do you think about information retrieval? Means we have already searching the data on Google search engine. Okay. And we have to retrieve some data from it. So for that purpose, try tree is used. Okay. So we'll see what exactly it is. Okay. Fine. So the next point will be, just concentrate here. Yes. Why tree data structure? It's very important. Okay, searching trees. So basically try concept come from retrieval, means we have to retrieve the data from the database. Okay, so searching trees is a general tree, general favor keys which are for fixed size since the lead to efficient storage management. Yes, so we have to retrieve that data. Okay, we have to retrieve the data from Google search engine. So according to that retrieval data means it basically depends upon the string. Okay, because if I want to search, for example, if I'm entering the Google search engine, in text box I'm writing Salman Khan video, means I'm writing spelling of Salman, all characters. Okay, so according to that we have to search the data from the server. Okay, so in the case of application which is a retrieval base, which call for keys varying length, and how we are going to access that data, that we need to see. Okay, and the try tree is also called as lexicographic search key. Then the name is try, pronounces as a try, but it is originated from the retrieval. So retrieval word का जो try है वहां से वो ट्री को बनाया गया है. This total depends upon database queries. We have to retrieve the data from the database. At that time, try tree is used. Okay, so I hope everyone clear the basic concept of it. Okay, now the next point we'll see here so that you can understand it properly. Fine. Okay, so next point will be, yes, this is the type of try tree. I hope everyone clear. For retrieving purpose, we are going to retrieve the data from the databases. It requires the try tree. Okay, so these are the types of try tree, that is standard tries, compressed tries, and suffix tries. So what is it that we'll have to see one by one. Okay, fine. The next one will be the standard try. Okay, so you can understand that this point, that is the standard try for a set of string S is an order tree such that, yes, so standard try means it is a set of strings. Okay, always remember that for string purpose, we are going to retrieve some data. We always write the string. Okay, so totally depends upon character. Okay, so basically the point is each node label with a character without root. means जो starting का root node रहेगा, there is no any value stored into root node. Without label root node, we have to arrange the childrens of it. Okay, and the second, the children of a node are alphabetically ordered. Yes, it should be the alphabetically ordered childs we have to represent. Means now we are going to generate the tree according to characters. Okay, and the path from the external node to the root in the string of it. Yes, means path कैसे रहेगा from external node to root node. Okay, so these 3 points are very important. Yes, concerned with try tree. So again, I'll repeat the concept of try, standard try, that is, it is a set of strings. Okay, set of strings है. First of all, root node without label रहेगा, and all childrens of node are alphabetically ordered. And path कहाँ से होगा? From external node to root, means it's bottom to top approach. Okay, so let's see the example of it so that you can understand. Yes, this is the example, you can understand. Okay, so it's very interesting tree actually. Okay, so there is a standard try for a set of string yes. Okay, so what are the yes values? Yes is what? It is a string. I hope you even understand this point. Yes is the string. Suppose these are the set of strings: beer, bell, bead, bull. Okay, these are the strings, or we can say that a collection of characters. Okay, it's stored into one string. Okay, so how we generate the tree here? Okay, so initially root node is what? Empty, means there is no any label is given. Okay, so if you're talking about beer, okay, so we can start it from what? It started from BEAR, because it is a combination of characters. Okay, so this is root node. After that, the first subtree root node is B. After that, the next node will be the E, then A and R. Likewise, means this is the children of what? Root node. Okay, means BEAR. So B is a node. The left side, according to alphabetical, we have to arrange. So the E will be goes like this, then A and then R. Okay, so likewise, we have generated one character, one string path here. So I hope everyone clear. Next, BELL. So BELL, we have to make it. So B already हमारा root node है. Okay, so B is having one character we are going to store. So B के बाद how we are going to make it? BELL. B already है, उसके बाद कौन आएगा? Yes, E also present, means same character. Okay, B and E already used in B. Okay, so same path we are going to follow. B, then E, L, L, means these are the child of these string, we can say. So L is here and again L is here. So likewise we have to draw, and the last node will be the external node. It is called as what? External node. That's why it is represented into the square box. Okay, so we have to represent external node as a square box. Clear? So this is what the second path, B, E, L and L. Likewise, the next one is BID. Okay, again B node is already present. So who is the next node of it? That is character I and D. So likewise, we can see the path here. Then BULL. So B is always there. B, then U. After that, L and L. Okay, so clear this point. So this path again we have to represent. So likewise, it is a set of strings. So according to string, we can create the tri-tree. Okay, and the next one is BUY. So how BUY will work? This is again B. The next path will be this U. U is already present the child, and Y is the external node. Okay, so likewise we have created the set of string, that is tri-tree we have generated from given the string. Okay, so next one will be, let's say, cell, SELL. Okay, so again it starts from S character. Then who is the next character here? E. So that's why E is represented, because after that there is B is not present. So we have to make second link of it. So S, E, then L, L. Okay. The next one will be the stop. So you can easily understand that S node already present. Okay. Then T is given, then O and D. For query search, this application is used. Okay. So there is a collection of characters for retrieving purpose. If you want to search something, so the backend data structure is used is try data structure. So I hope everyone clear. The last one will be STOP. This is the string. So again, it starts from S, then T, then O, and then P. So likewise, we have clear the concept of what? Tri-trees. Okay, so some programmatical concept also we need to understand. Okay, so again, always remember that every tree we required, we have to calculate the time complexity is very, very important. Okay, so this is a concept. The standard trie use big of n space. There will be, we can perform operation insert, find, remove. So the time complexity will be B of dm. Means it is what in case of n. N means what? What is the value of n here? N is total size of string n. Yes. So how many total number of size are given? Jitne total number of strings रहेंगे, means we can say that the words are there. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? रूट बनाना पड़ेगा. So ultimately the time complexity, the space will be big of n. It is concerned with the space. जितने number of characters strings रहेंगे उतने हमें क्या करने पड़ेंगे? उसके लिए memory allocate करना पड़ेगा. So this is the memory required to store that character. Okay. And what about time? This is a concern with space complexity. This is time complexity. So for time complexity, it requires big of dm. So what is dm here? That is D. What is the D is? Alphabet size. Yes, every alphabet we need to consider. क्योंकि हर एक को हमें क्या करना है? उसका node create करके store करना है backend में. Okay. And what is the value of m? M is the size of the string parameter of the operation. Yes. So M will be represent of the size of the string parameter, which kind of unit you are using to store that element. Okay. So this is what the time complexity as well as space complexity as per trie-tree is concerned. Okay. So I hope everyone clear that part. Okay. So we'll see the next part here. Okay. So these are the operations for trie-tree specification. Okay, so first we are going to add the word. Okay, so add word, search word, and delete word. These operation we are going to perform. So what are the functions is required? Add the words in given string, or we can say that in tree. Post condition kya hai? When we are going to add it, the trie should not be null. Okay, so add कर रहे तो वो null नहीं होना चाहिए. Search key. Suppose search a word into the trie tree. So we have to return if it is true, no problem. If it is false, it's not given any result. And delete means for deleting purpose, the function delete a word in the trie. So trie is not empty. Delete करने के लिए वो empty नहीं होना चाहिए and add करने के लिए full नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. So this point we have clear here. I hope it's very simple tree, but you have to thinking on database purpose. Okay. So the print for function print the word into the trie. So it should be either maybe full or not. Okay. So this is the operations related to what? Trie tree. Okay. Fine. So this is a node structure of tree. It's very fabulous presentation in which given all the points clearly. Okay. So this is a structure. You can say that this is a class node. Okay, so basically you should clear how to create the trie tree. That is very important. Okay, so I hope everyone clear. It's a set of strings are given and we have to manage it using the node. Okay, so this is a concept trie tree and it is used for retrieval purpose. Means we have to retrieve some data information from huge amount of database. So that type backend data structure is used, that is trie structure. Okay, so it is called as a trie tree data structure. Fine. So this is programmatically syntax. You can see here the concept is class. Yes, we are representing in program. The class name of the class is node is given. We are declaring in public section. So first, that is character value. Character value means the character should be on small or either capital letter. Okay, A to Z. Then Boolean that indicate whether the node completes the word or not. For example, let's say we have seen bull, B-U-L-L. So this is the combination of 4 characters, B-U-L-L. So we have to check whether till the string end नहीं जाती, तब तक हमें क्या करना है, node को insert करना है. Okay. And the next one will be node star children means pointer type of array we have given represent the 26 letters in the alphabet. Okay, so this is pointer type of variable because we are performing the operations on string, so it's required for the reference. Okay, so I hope everyone clear that part. This is a structure, so everyone should understand this point carefully. Okay, now this is what actual internal this is a programmatical representation of node, and next one will be the graphical representation. Okay, how exactly it will work. Okay, so there are 3 points are given in string, that is character data for storing the character value that we have seen. Okay, so this space is given for what? Character data. You can see here in the previously, again we'll recall so that you can understand it carefully. Okay, so first one will be, just see here in previous slide. Okay, so this is the 3 combination: character value for storing the character, Boolean whether the string is completed or not, and last one the pointer reference. Okay, so same here, the first node will concept of node structure is what? Character data. So we are storing the character data. This is memory representation, and next one is Boolean data, whether it is true and false. Okay, the Boolean and whether it is true, and the node that pointer to an array. Okay, so this is a representation of node structure. Okay, so we'll see the next point, how we'll represent it. Okay, fine. So how the insertion will do in trie tree data structure. Okay, so just see here, initially there is no any character is stored into the node. All values should be nulls. Boolean string also null. There is no any value, 0, starting from 0. Okay, false means there is no any string is stored and node is null. Okay, so the node we have to insert the apple node we have to insert. Okay, so first create a root that has empty string. Yes, there is no any string, and every single pointer array must points to the null. Yes, every string pointer array must should be the null here. Okay, all alphabetical characters. There is no any string, that is false, and all pointer array should be null by default, and Boolean value of every node must be false by default, because initially we have not inserted any string into the tree. Okay, so now let's see the next point. Okay, here, so we are starting from root. Okay, we have to insert apple root. Okay, so we have to convert this character, string character, to upper or lower case. Okay, so this is one function used to upper and lower. So coding doesn't matter here, you just concentrate which type of function is used here. So character we have to insert here. So for we are converting into the lower. Fine. Okay, so next will be how it will insert it. Okay, so here suppose the string is apple, the length of the string is how much? 5. Okay, so just see here, the string kya hai hamari? 5 characters are stored, APPLE, length of the string is 5. So S of 0th location, no doubt string is a collection of character of array. So S of 0th location storing A, S of 1 P, S of 2 P, and S of 3 L likewise, and last one is E. The S of 4 location store the last character. Okay, so the next will be, this is what apple we have to store, means this is the array, this is character type of array, 0th location APPLE we have stored. Okay, now so we have to insert it into the tree. Okay, fine. So initially we have to convert into the lower, so A will be converted into the lower character, so current character will be A. Okay, initially we are converting into lower, right? So it is character is A. Next, just see here. Okay, so current character will be A. Okay, we are converting into the lower letter. Fine. So the get the correct index of the appropriate character for index current character A. Okay, so how the index will A? So for integer कैसे उसको represent करेंगे? Index current character A. So index A minus A means we can say that it's not a subtracting character. यहाँ पे subtraction किसका होगा? ASCII value का. Suppose the A is having 67 value. Okay, so subtracting the index will be the 0. Okay, so 0th location. So current node pointing to root. Okay, so who is the current node? There is A. Okay, I hope everyone clear. Next, this is our representation. Okay, there is a root. Root is having current node. Fine. So next see here properly. Just concentrate here. Okay, so check if the current node has the current character as one of its descendant. Yes, we have to check whether it is previous node है क्या, वो check करना है. If current node of children 0, then it's linked list actually. Okay, so initially वो null है, तो उसको हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Current node assign करना पड़ेगा. Okay, if 0 pointing to the null, yes, then we have to store our value. Okay, so just see here. Yes, here is the index 0, so we are storing value A here, and so if the statement won't execute and the current node does not have current character, means it's initially we are going to store A. Okay, so this is the code for storing A here. So you can see, don't concentrate on code, just concentrate here. That is new node we have to inserting it. Okay, it's a pointer, तो हमें ये बोलना पड़ेगा जो new next node जो आएगा, initially we have allocate the memory dynamically. Everyone knows linked list concept. Okay, linked list सबको पता है. So according to that we have to manage it. So new node, initially the current character that we have seen. This operator, just concentrate on this code. Just value, you can see the code also. Here, just see here, we are initializing here all values, then Boolean value, and all our data members we have declared, right? So here constructor is given. just concentrate here. So this pointer से हम क्या करेंगे, current value को access करेंगे. This value is going to here. We have allocate the memory dynamically, means how much size required to that node. Character having 1 byte, pointer having 2 bytes, and boolean value 1 means total 4 bytes we required. So we have to allocate the memory for it. और क्या करना पड़ेगा, initially सबको null किया है, but current value will be a, so we are going to assign a value here. Okay, so according to that we have initially allocate that अपना जो new value है वही current node है और वही new node है, means we are initializing a here. Okay, so likewise you can just construct the tree. Before that it's in depth actually, but you can see this point. Okay, so just see here, character, current character कौन सा है मेरा, a we have stored. Okay, node as a current character means we have to store the next node here. Okay, so how it will do, so all 26 of new node will be pointing to null. Likewise we are going to store one by one node. Okay, when you execute this code then you can easily understand it. Okay, fine everyone. So the new node our is a, after that this is current node, this is new node. Likewise we are going to inserting all the nodes here. Okay, so after that a we have to place p. अभी same जो हमने a के लिए किया, just concentrate here. These are the programmatical part, so you just concentrate here. a कैसे आया सबको समझ में आया, हमने a को current node भी बनाया है और न्यू नोड सेम है. अब तक हमने नेक्स्ट नोड इंसर्ट किया है क्या, नहीं. वी आर नॉट स्टोरिंग द वैल्यू इनटू रूट, वी हैव टू मेक चाइल्ड ए एज अ फॉर अ रूट ए, रूट सॉरी. सो ए को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे चाइल्ड बना रहे हैं रूट का. ओके, मतलब करंट नोड भी